Let's send an email using the API with Postman as our testing environment. To get started, log in to portal infobip.com. Be sure to visit the Infobip API documentation, where you can find detailed information about all available APIs. There, you can also access your API key and view the base URL. By clicking on the Manage Keys button, you will be redirected to your portal account, where you will find all API keys associated with your account, and you can also create new ones by clicking Create API Key button. Give it a name and select the required API scopes. You can choose all channels from the General section, or search by specific channel and select only the relevant scopes. Finally, click Create. Now, let's go back to our Docs page, where you will find more information about the authentication methods that you could use, and we support multiple methods such as Basic Authentication, API Keys, SSO Tokens, and OAuth 2.0. All API requests need to be authenticated through the authorization header, and our recommendation is to use the API key header whenever possible. Next, navigate to the Channels section and select Email. Here, you'll find a variety of email-related requests that you can use. Let's first send an email using version 3 of the API. Under Moments, Templates, Broadcast Templates. Keep in mind that only broadcast templates can be used for sending emails via the API. Here we have already created our email template. To personalize the template, scroll down to the Content section and click Edit. Highlight the part of the text where you want to insert a placeholder, then click Placeholders and select the type of placeholder you want to add. This will allow you to dynamically customize the email content for each recipient. Select Done Designing. You can enter the subject and preheader here. I will leave it empty. Click Save Broadcast Template. You can view the template ID here. Now let's open Postman. Click the plus button to create a new request and select the post method. In the request URL field, paste the appropriate URL. Under Authorization, select the Type API key. In the Value field, type App, then copy and paste the API key after it. It should appear in this format App space API key. Next, go to Body Form Data and add the following fields. From This is your registered sending domain. Alternatively, you can use a shared domain, which I will demonstrate here. To first, enter the recipient's email address. As an optional feature, we will also add a placeholder for the recipient's first name. Next, enter the subject line. Since I left the subject empty in my template, I need to specify it here. Otherwise, this step wouldn't be necessary. Additionally, enable tracking for clicks and opens to monitor engagement. Now, add the template ID. If you weren't using a template, you would instead provide the message body as plain text. You can also use HTML file. Finally, click Send. If you receive a 200 OK status, your email has been sent successfully. Let's send an email using version 4 of the API, as it offers more options. Under Body, select Raw, then click JSON from the drop-down menu. Here, I will copy the example and make the necessary adjustments. First, I will enter the sender and update the destination with a placeholder for the first name. Then, I will add the subject line and include the template ID. Finally, I will enable tracking for both clicks and opens. Click Send, and just like that, your email is delivered.